Hello viewers, if you are looking to buy any tablet during sale, then this video is going to help you. In this video I will talk about the big Bachat days sale that has already started in flipkart.com and it will last up to 6th of April 2025. But in this sale I don't think there is any good offer on tablets. Most of the tablets are on the higher side in terms of pricing. So you have to wait for another sale when there will be discounts on maximum tablets. For example, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case you may have to pay around 40,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version, but the best price for this tablet is around 35 to 36,000 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, it is available at a price point of 35,000 rupees for the 128GB version, but I don't think this is a good pricing. The best price for the 128GB is around 33,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, then I will not suggest you to buy this tablet. Rather, you should go for iPad 11th generation at around 31,000 rupees. In that you will get 128GB of internal storage along with 6GB RAM and also a 16 Bionic chipset inside that. Similarly, if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro 5G, in that case the price is on the higher side, so you should definitely wait. My brother bought this tablet at around 16.5k during offers using credit cards and all the discounts. However, if you don't have credit card, you may have to pay a hefty amount. Similarly, the price of OnePlus Pad is on the higher side. The best price for the 256GB version is around 22 to 23,000 rupees, and above that pricing I don't recommend you to buy that tablet. Actually, many users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but I saw many times that the price of this tablet is very high, so I will not recommend you to buy this tablet above 30,000 rupees for the 128GB version. And if you seriously want to buy this tablet, you have to wait for the right offers when you will get this tablet at around 25,000 price bracket. That will be the best pricing for Tab S9 FE Plus. Similarly, Tab S10 series or S10 AP series will launch in the month of May probably, and when that tablet will be launched, the price of Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus will definitely decrease. In that time you can definitely buy one of these two tablets. So in the conclusion, should you buy any tablet right now? The answer is no. You should definitely wait for the right offers. This is not the right time for you to buy any tablet. And one more thing, I have created a Hindi channel. If you want to watch these contents on Hindi language, in that case you can subscribe my Smart 24 Tech channel, and all the contents will be made in Hindi language, so it will be convenient for most of the users who consumes multimedia contents in Hindi language. So stay subscribed with this channel and also with that channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.